To a developing story now, the JCF's Criminal Records Office has been ordered closed by the Ministry of Health. Primetime News has learned that several persons working in the building have been reporting ill. Now, this has caused a logistical crisis for the JCF, which is now in search of a temporary location. Now, TVJ's Anthony Logg has been tracking this story, and he now joins us live. Anthony?
Thanks, Archie. Well, as you said, this is a developing story because we're still unclear of the true impact of the air quality issues at the Criminal Records Office. The building is located at 34 Duke Street in downtown Kingston. It also houses the Fraud Squad and the Technical Services Division. Now, here's what we know so far. For weeks now, the police and civilians working in the building have been complaining of respiratory problems. We understand that this has led to the hospitalization of some of the staff. Now, last week, Thursday, officials from Public Health and the Ministry of Health visited the offices. Now, in response to queries from our news center, Chief Medical Officer Dr. Jacqueline Besesa McKenzie confirmed that the closure took effect today. Additionally, we were informed that the health concerns surround indoor air quality. Again, the ministry has not been able to confirm the number of persons who've reported ill, and the ministry says the remedial action to be taken include improvement in the ventilation system, cleaning and disinfection. When we asked how long this would take, the chief medical officer responded, quote, "We are unable to confirm the length of the time this work will take to be remedied," end quote. Now, earlier today, we got a statement from the Jamaica Constabulary Force. It said the services offered by the Criminal Records Office will be temporarily suspended to allow for relocation. This, it said, originated from the preliminary result of air quality testing done at the office, which have raised serious concerns about the quality of the air in the building. Now, the police high command has taken the decision to close the office for a week to remedy the situation and protect the well-being of both staff and customers. No details were provided on where the public will be able to get the service, but we will be monitoring this story and will be providing details. It's back to you.
Thank you, Anthony.